Exploring the geography of San Marino, a hidden gem in Italy. Did you know San Marino is one of the world's smallest countries? Covering just 61 square kilometers, it's nestled in Italy's Apennine Mountains. Its rugged terrain of steep slopes and rolling hills offers breathtaking views of the surrounding Italian countryside, a sight that will leave you in awe. At the heart of San Marino stands Mount Titano, its highest point at over 700 meters. This picturesque mountain is home to medieval cities that appear frozen in time. Stroll through cobblestone streets and enjoy panoramic vistas that will transport you back to a simpler, enchanting era. San Marino's temperate climate makes it a perfect year-round destination. Warm summers invite hikers and nature lovers to explore its hills, while milder winters offer a peaceful escape amid scenic beauty. Every season showcases this microstate's natural charm in its own unique way. San Marino isn't just a country, it's a storybook setting waiting to be explored. Whether you love geography, history, or just spectacular views, this tiny nation promises unforgettable experiences. Its blend of natural beauty and rich heritage creates moments you'll never forget. Pack your bags and see it for yourself. Discover San Marino's timeless landscapes and immerse yourself in its charm. Follow now for more travel inspiration and start planning your next adventure to this hidden treasure.